बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। आज हम साइंस के चैप्टर नंबर 9 स्पेस एंड सैटेलाइट्स की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। काउंटलेस शाइनिंग लाइट्स सीन एट नाइट ऑन द स्काई आर स्टार्स, मून, planets, different heavenly bodies, and D is the correct answer. How long does it take for a geostationary satellite to complete one orbit? 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and the answer is 1 day. First man to step on the moon: Edwin Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, Yuri Gagarin, and Alan Shepard. And B is the correct answer, Neil Armstrong. The system locates the position of an object on the Earth's surface is GRS, GMS, GPS, PGS, and C is the correct answer, GPS. The first artificial satellite was sent into the space in 1945, 1957, 1969, 1973, and the answer is B, 1957. Write short answers. Write 5 benefits which we get from artificial satellites. Radio, television transmission and information by internet reached in each part of the world because of artificial satellites. We can make contact at far off places by telephone. We can correctly locate our position anywhere in the world. We can. Now about changes of weather. Much earlier, this helps us to deal with floods, storms, forest fires and other disasters effectively. Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. Is the Earth also satellite of some bigger object? What is that object? Moon is natural satellite of Earth. Earth is not the satellite of any object. Why does a geostationary satellite appear to be stationary? The geostationary satellite revolving in the orbits around the Earth with the same speed as that of the Earth, hence they are appear to be stationary. Why do the astronauts wear space dress? What are its benefits? Astronauts wear space dress for traveling in space. Without space dress and precaution measures, astronauts cannot survive in space. Space dress also protect astronauts from pressure and radiations. Why can a telescope installed on a satellite take clearer photographs than from the Earth's surface? A telescope is installed on a satellite to take the clear photographs and videos. These are more clear and informative than photographs taken from Earth because there is no air, water, dust and soil particles. इसके कुछ एडिशनल क्वेश्चन हैं. What are heavenly bodies? When we look up at the sky on a clear night, we see countless tiny lights commonly known as stars. But scientifically, they are not all stars. In fact, they include galaxies, stars, planets, moon, and some other objects. All these objects are called heavenly bodies. Define universe. All these heavenly bodies are a part of the vast space around us, which is collectively known as universe. When was space exploration started? The space age began on October 4, 1957, when Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1 in the orbit of the Earth. Write about NASA. National Aeronautics and Space Administration. NASA is an American agency. It is responsible for space exploration and aviation. When man stepped first of all on moon. Man stepped on the moon on 20th July 1969. What is Skylab? In space, need was felt to perform experiments in a gravity free atmosphere. For this purpose, NASA launched a space station called Skylab on May 14, 1973, which remained moving around the Earth about 6 months. Write about International Space Station. Another big achievement of NASA is establishment of International Space Station ISS. International Space Station. This was a joint project with the collaboration of centers of Russia, Japan, Canada and Europe. Its size is greater than a football ground. What do you know about space shuttle? Space shuttle are used to commute from this station. More than 250 scientists has research here. Write about satellite. An object moving around a heavy big heavenly body due to its gravity is called a satellite. The moon revolves around the earth. It is a natural satellite of the earth. Write the number of moons of Mars and Saturn. Mars has 2 moons while Saturn has 82 moons. Write the number of moons Uranus and Neptune. Uranus has 27 moons while Neptune has 14 number of moons. In which direction Earth rotates? The Earth rotates its axis from the west to east. In which direction the sun, star are appeared to move? The sun, moon and stars are appeared to move from east to west.